and welcome to the Linux Point. Today in this video we are going to discuss on how a reverse shell works. While using internet, you are been protected by various devices such as firewall. Also if you have IDS, which is intrusion detection system, or IPS, which is intrusion prevention system. All these devices provide network security from outside connection. But this device only blocks the incoming threat and doesn't block you from visiting anywhere in the internet world. A reverse shell is kind of session in which a target connects to a hacker and gives access to its shell. This kind of session is obtained by using remote code execution attack, which happens if attacker finds vulnerability in the target system. Now let's take an example of this kind of session. We will be using a tool such as Netcat to listen on a port on the attacker system. Let's open the port 3000 using the following command. Remember, this is our attacker. Now let's represent a target using another window. Execute this command in the target shell. Here in path put IP of the server that is attacker, and port following it. You can see that we have got a connection on server side, which is the shell of the target. Now we can type the commands which will be executed on the target machine. Remember, we can't use tab for auto-completion here, which I was trying to do. This is an example of Bash reverse shell. We can also do it with other languages such as Ruby, Python, Java, PHP. This vulnerability is generally caused by the eval or execute functions, which is not used by developers properly and causes this attack. I hope the video was informative for you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time.